SB19 came to Robinsons, Manila for the McDo X SB19 Fan Meet event, which is packed with SB19 fans waiting to see and meet them in person.
Pipila. Okay. Sino ang bunso?
Pablo was surprised with a birthday cake as a treat for his birthday.
All right, happy birthday, Pablo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Yes! Bago ang lahat, of course, let us have we will ask for your message. Would you like to say anything?
First of all, gusto kong pasalamat kay Lord for the wonderful 20 years of my life.
Wow!
Yes, thank you, thank God.
Wow!
Ayun po, syempre maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa SB19. Alam niyo naman po na kung araw-araw namin kayo mapapasalamatan, gagawin po namin yun. Kasi binago niyo po yung buhay namin. And nandito kami ngayon kundi dahil sa inyo. And syempre maraming salamat din po sa McDonald's family for the wonderful cake, syempre. And sa suporta na binigay niyo at tiwala niyo sa SB19. Ano pa ba? Salamat din po sa lahat ng team po ng SB19, syempre sa members and kay Miss Krings. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Syempre, i-blow mo naman yung cake and make a wish, Pablo. Yeah.
Yeah!
Let's have...
Yo, yo, yo! Yo, yo, yo!
All right.
Stel also shared about his experience of working as a McDonald's crew in the past.
A lot of you know na parang before, naging crew ako. Naging crew po ako. Naging crew ng McDonald's. Before, nung college po ako. So, parang grabe yung 360 from crew, tapos ngayon endorser ng McDonald's. So, every time ko na binabalikan ko talaga yung memory na yun, naalala ko lahat ng hardships, lahat ng mga nangyari sa akin before. And now, looking at it, yung store ng McDo, parang ang daming memories na bumabalik. Bukod sa good food, good memories din po yung food.
They also performed their hit song Gento at the event.